Saturday, going for a walk, and we're heading towards Dovedale and the river across there. As usual, I've got my dog with me. I've just picked up a local footpath just as you come out of Ilam Hall, and we're heading up Bunster's Hill. So yeah, let's see what that looks like. I've got Bailey with me. Say hello, Bailey. Yeah, and we're heading up, so we'll see how this goes today. Well, we're officially coming up to the stones at in Dovedale, stepping stones that apparently have been closed today for obvious reasons. We just walked all through the that side of it. A lot of water, a lot of slippery rocks, boots not the best doing it, but we got through. Dog enjoyed it. He went all through the water on the lead, so yeah, it's a beautiful day for a walk. Well, I say beautiful, it's a bit overcast. Met a lovely couple who helped me with Bailey. We decided to take Bunster's Hill as a shortcut from the National Trust to get to here, and it was like a quagmire. Boots absolutely caked in mud. The dog, yeah, loved it. So let's go and see if the footpaths are a little better. Let's see if this gate's open, because he won't get through there, he's too fat, and not to mention myself. But yeah, absolutely stunning views. We was hoping to go high up and sort of travel along this route to Milldale and then come back over these ridges here, or certainly those ridges there, but it's just, there's been so much rain. My boots, as I said before, I need to change them, they're slippy. It's just not filling me with confidence. So anyway, we'll crack on, we'll catch you later. Okay, we're climbing some steps, thankfully not very muddy, heading towards Lover's Leap, looking over at the 12 apostles. Quite a bit of a steep climb this, but I seem to be getting slightly better, making it a lot easier. We've made it to the top of Lover's Leap, named after a young lady who had heard in the Napoleon War, although some state it's also World War II. Her husband, lover, had died in combat and chucked herself off the edge, but the trees below caught her and saved her life. And then when she got back, she'd heard that he hadn't lost his life, so hence Lover's Leap. Across there you can see the 12 apostles. Yeah, so yeah, we made it here. Bailey has made it. We're going to scramble back down to there, which isn't too far, but like all the Peak District, absolutely stunning. Absolutely lovely walk, and a walk for all the family really as well. It's not too taxing, and if you don't want to walk all the way to Milldale, you can always turn back. There is a car park ride at the start, which is £3 a day, or if you're a National Trust member you can park obviously for free at the National Trust car park at Ilam, which is about a mile away at best. There's a lot of cut down ash trees around this section, controlling some ash tree disease that's going on, which I read about, so I was half expecting this section to be closed, but thankfully it's open, and yeah, they just seem to be letting them fall where they fall, basically. It's a nice little choppy section of the river, and I just love this bit here where you've got boardwalk to walk on. I remember bringing my kids here along this section. Just absolutely loving it. Dog's enjoying it. Okay, we're just arriving at Ilam Rock and Pickering Tor. There's one of the first caves. I think there's even more, if my memory serves me right, just round this corner. But if not, we'll go back and have a look around that one. There's a public footpath leading off somewhere else. I do fancy taking that, but not in these boots. Well, there's quite a few caves sort of dotted all in around this area, pretty much where that signpost was really, but I'm going to give it a miss because my boots ain't the best, and it's not the confidence of it actually, because they keep slipping all over the place on rock and mud, so yeah, I'll play it safe and perhaps visit them another time. But hey, you can't get better than this, can you? What a great day for a walk with your dog. Well, there's Dovedale Holes, some lovely views. That's one of the footpaths I was apparently going to take, which I'm glad I'm not, as I said previously, with these boots. And that's where they said they've actually closed Lover's Leap and stepping stones, but thankfully they're open today. Let's go and have a look at these holes in a bit more detail. Unbelievable. I've got this urge to go inside. Somebody's singing down there. Some religious sect. That's a better view of them. Have a look. Come on, baby. Unbelievable, absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous. What do you think, mate? Good? Well, I enjoyed those holes actually, easy to get to. Have a look inside. Now we're on our way to, finally to Milldale. So, now we can stop and have a nice cup of tea or coffee in my case, water for the dog and some biscuits, get his energy back up yes, I don't mind telling you, I'm enjoying this getting outside and yeah, just generally looking around and different paths, and some nice sort of more touristy ones as well, such as this. But hey, it's all good. It's all good fun. All great. Just getting my fitness up, for getting better as the weeks go on, which is what it's all about, really, isn't it? Well, we're looking back on ourselves now. That's Bally Hill or Bailey Hill. I'd like to think it's Bailey Hill because the dog's Bailey, and Nabs over there. That's the area I was sort of intending to cross all over, but yeah, kind of disappointed that I'm not. We're heading this way towards Milldale, as I've said about 6 times. Getting bored with myself now saying it. Never mind talking to myself. I'm getting bored listening to myself, and I'm sure you guys are as well. Or, actually, I've only got 1 subscriber at the minute. That's Hannah. So hello Hannah, if you're listening. That's my daughter. So 1 more subscriber and I could say I've doubled my subscribers overnight. So not that I'm doing it for that, to be honest, but yeah, just enjoy filming where I've been and taking pictures, walking the dog, and then messing around with some film editing at the end of it all, which I all do on my phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Everything I do, even the editing, is done on the phone. I've got software on my laptop, but to be honest, it's a ball ache getting the laptop out and loading it all on and copying it. I could just sit and watch the TV, have a drink, and edit the footage. So much easier for what I want, anyway. So yeah. Okay, we've arrived at Milldale. Absolutely great walk. Enjoyed it. Not too taxing, to be honest. I have to go and get a cup of tea and yeah, get something to eat. That was those trees, the ash dieback. So, want to do something, get yourself up to Dovedale to Milldale, about 3.5 miles from the car park at Dovedale, about 4.2, 4.3 from Ilam National Trust car park. So yeah, can't go wrong. Absolutely beautiful. Come on, Bailey, let's go and get a cup of tea. When you arrive at Milldale, there's Polly's Cottage, which does sandwiches and coffee and cake and sticky buns, all sorts of things. Yeah, give it a try. I like the fact that they put a water bowl out for the dogs as well, but yeah, absolutely gorgeous food. Give it a go. Well, having arrived at Milldale, we've had something to eat, ready to tackle the journey back, what this is with log ends. So if you want to subscribe, please feel free to do so. It would be nice to double it overnight too. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. Enjoy doing them, enjoy walking anyway. So from me, from Bailey, we'll catch you later. Take care, bye.